Bitcoin pulls back from record highs, Solana ETF delay hits price, and ETH targets get a big upgrade. Welcome back, folks. Time to catch up with the market on SoSoValue Crypto Daily. The crypto market took a sharp hit in the last 24 hours. Total market cap dropped 4.1% to $0.8 trillion. Bitcoin fell about 4% to $118,450 after briefly dipping below $118,000. Ethereum's down a similar 4%, now holding at $4,560 after sliding under $4,500 earlier. Losses were across the board. NFT and meme tokens, often sentiment barometers, led declines with drops over 9%. The sell-off came after stronger than expected U.S. July PPI data stoked concerns that tariffs could further fuel inflation, triggering a broad risk-off shift. Bitcoin's rally hit a policy wall. Just after Bitcoin touched an all-time high, U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said the government has no plans to expand its Bitcoin holdings beyond assets already seized. That's a stark contrast to President Trump's earlier executive order pushing for more government BTC reserves. The statement sparked a quick market reaction, sending Bitcoin under the key 119K level and ending its brief run as the world's fifth largest asset by market cap, a spot where it even overtook Google for a moment. Regulation also weighed on Solana. The SEC delayed its decision on spot Solana ETFs from Bitwise and 21 shares, pushing the deadline to October 16, 2025. The move is in line with the SEC's slow, cautious approach to crypto ETFs and affects other pending applications from firms like Grayscale and Fidelity. SOL dropped from $210 to $190 on the news, proof of how sensitive the market still is to regulatory headlines. Analysts say the October decision could be a key signal for the SEC's broader stance on crypto ETFs. Meanwhile, institutional outlook for ETH and BTC is getting even more bullish. Standard Chartered raised its year-end ETH target to $7,500 with a forecast of a new all-time high at $4,866 by Q3 2025 and a long-term projection of $25,000 between 2026 and 2029. Drivers include institutional inflows, expected demand for spot ETFs, stablecoin regulation, and continued tech upgrades. The bank's Bitcoin outlook remains ultra-bullish, $500,000 by 2029. But not everyone thinks the ETH call is aggressive enough. Bitmine chairman Tom Lee says year-end ETH could hit $10,000 to $15,000. And on the enforcement side, more sanctions for Russia-linked exchanges. The U.S. Treasury's OFAC added Garantex, its successor Grinex, 3 executives and 6 companies from Russia and Kyrgyzstan to its sanctions list. They're accused of handling over $100 million in illicit transactions since 2019. One executive has been arrested in India, the other is still on the run with a $6 million U.S. bounty for information leading to its capture. So from inflation shocks to policy pivots and ETF delays, today's market pullback is about more than just profit-taking. That's a wrap for today's update. Catch you tomorrow, same time, same place. Cut through the chaos, focus on what drives the crypto market. Stay on top of crypto research, all in one place at SoSoValue.com.